At breakfast, Homer spots a glowing billboard promising Springfield's first giant donut festival next week. Lisa announces a school petition to investigate nuclear plant radiation, worrying Maggie and surprising Bart. Marge frets about crowds, hairpins clatter as she volunteers to organize safety and baking booths. Ned hosts a wholesome meeting at church, promising lemonade, prayers, and okily-dokily moral guidance today. Mr. Burns smells profit, plotting a mechanized donut tower while Smithers polishes power suits eagerly. Bart vows chaotic stunts, sketching prank blueprints with Milhouse, skateboard squeaking toward chaos and mischief. Mo converts Bar into planning HQ, serving burnt coffee as townspeople argue festival logistics loudly. At the plant, Homer accidentally launches a dough mixer into reactor control, alarms screaming loudly. Lisa rallies students at school, demanding transparency. Skinner frets over inspection paperwork and calls parents. Burns' donut tower test explodes sprinkles across Main Street, clogging cars and clogging lives literally. Wiggum commandeers volunteers, leading a sloppy parade of hoses, donuts sticking to uniforms and sirens. Homer dives into an enormous donut crater, muffling pleas about jobs with joyful chomps again. Marge competes with Ned's wholesome pies, trading passive smiles and secret frosting one-upmanship behind curtains. Bart's skateboard triggers the donut tower unmanned conveyor, flinging pastries into Krusty's show live on stage. Barney leads a drunken engineering crew, welding a funnel to catch sprinkles and hope clumsily. Duff floats sink in sprinkling glaze, policemen slip, forming a domino of pratfalls toward Quickie Mart. Lisa confronts Marge about safety, learning empathy for jobs amid moral urgency and doubt quietly. Burns attempts heroic publicity, accidentally ordering 1,000 powdered donuts staining City Hall pink spectacularly. Mayor Quimby declares emergency while Springfield bands together, albeit with comic incompetence and mayoral speechmaking. Maggie presses a pacifier button, miraculously rerouting conveyor to harmlessly launch donuts into river like seals. Bart swaps prank for repair, skateboarding to deliver ropes, growing older between every grin softly. Ned coordinates volunteers with Reverend Lovejoy. Krusty reluctantly donates costumes for morale and celebrity bits. Smithers confronts Burns, reminding him of humanity as Burns sneezes powdered sugar into monocle awkwardly. Town Square becomes sticky battlefield, children slide, mayor slips, and Itchy roars proudly for ratings. Marge organizes a community bake clean, teaching neighbors to repair both ovens and trust among friends. Homer apologizes for reactor blunder, offering Lisa a donut peace treaty and awkward hug sincerely. Burns funds new safety measures while privately mourning loss of his pink powdered monocle dramatically. The giant donut festival resumes, now with helmets, signage, and Ned's spiritual frosting tent blessing. Simpson family shares a sticky, messy slice, laughing. Marge's hair withstands powdered sugar magic resilient. Homer drools, Maggie sucks pacifier, Bart grins, plotting one small prank, and Lisa sighs smiling.